Inside the motorhome living space, there are 4 switches for the lights and 1 for the stepper. When you open the side door, you'll see 3 switches on your right-hand side. The first is the lighting for the main kitchen area. The second switch is for the external light outside the side door. The third switch is for the electric entrance step. Please ensure that you are not standing directly in front of the side door when pressing down on the step switch. Right above the side door switches, you'll find the light switches for the main living area. Near the cutlery drawer, there's another light switch that illuminates the surrounding kitchen area and the gas isolation switches. Right above the stove is the switch for the lights over the hob and kitchen bench area.